Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to turn on birthday notifications on Facebook using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to open your browser and search for facebook.com. Okay? So once you've done that, you want to click on your Facebook profile at the upper right corner of your screen. Now click on Settings and Privacy and click on Settings. Okay, so here at the left side of your screen, you can see the Notifications section. So just go ahead and click on that. And you want to scroll down until you see the Birthday section. So just go ahead and click on the drop down arrow and toggle that switch on to allow notifications on your Facebook. Okay? And that is how you turn on birthday notifications on your Facebook. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.